And what is up, all my lovely subscribers? Today is a good day in Elpis for you. And if it is, I wish you guys can slap that like button, subscribe for new, post notifications so you never miss one of my lovely videos. And today we're here with another lovely Minecraft video. If you guys enjoy these solo, duo, mini games, whatever I play on these servers, if you guys enjoy this, please show your love by subscribing, post notifications, so when I post a video you guys get notified and watch it. It would make my day if you guys do that. But let's get into it. Wow, really on pick team, but it's okay. We are about to get a dub if there's no hackers. Yeah, I like this server because there's a lot of actual good PvP people, but half of the time it becomes very like I'd be seeing a lot of hackers. Yeah, okay. Gotta place these strategically. Only got so many. I gotta crash the middle real quick. Yeah, anyway. Who is next to me? White. What is White doing? No, wait. I'm not even gonna ask what White is doing, but who's next? Gray. Wait, no, that's not Gray. Yeah, that's Gray. Wow. Worst thing, this is the worst predicament you can get put in. I hate being in between two teams because especially this happens in duos all the time. So me and my friend Savage, we always get into a game like this that's full. And when we're next to two teams, we're rushing one, and then we come back, and before we can even get back, it says your bed has been I'm like, bro, that really gets me upset. I really get mad because that's what they do. They slime me and they grind me. That's what they do. Let me put the finishing touches on. Bam, and then bam. And then I'm probably just gonna secrete him with a lot of wood. I mean a lot of wool. But that's the one thing you guys gotta watch out. If you guys get in a full lobby, do not be a big rusher. Because I'm telling you, you are gonna get sneaked up on. Somebody's gonna come out of nowhere and they're gonna smack you, and then you're gonna be effed. That's it. There's nothing you can do from it. Unless you, maybe once in a while, you get into an actual good game with a good perk. Maybe you don't get into a full game or something, but maybe if you do get in a full game like this, where you're next to two teams, maybe they won't rush you or anything. You just gotta get lucky. It's really a luck-based game. Well, not really. You guys know what I mean. Wow, White is out, so at least I don't have to worry about that. Gray is out, so the two teams that were next to me. Wow. That is a hack. That is... Yo! I've never seen that in my life. Oh my god. That is a hack. Yo, look at that. That'd be funny. I would be so upset right now if that happened to me. Yo, I really just destroyed him. But either he's a hacker or I have bad ping, because he got the triple whammy and I was down to 4 hearts. That exactly right there, guys. That is what I mean when I say they be hacking. Oh my god. I hate when this happens. This happens all the time. Because I be getting bad ping all the time. Yeah, that just happens sometimes. Wow, it should go away in a minute. Oh my god. Why'd I get that? See, it comes. You have to just wait a minute and then it goes away. Alright, now it's time that the teams next to me, nobody should really come. Unless that red dude really gets, like, is just a butthole and rushes me right now. Wow, that's a little upsetting. I'm probably gonna end up, like, taking them out. If red doesn't get taken out before I get to him, like before I get stabbed, then I'm gonna go rush him. I'm about to get that diamond art. Wow, that red dude he's on people's case. I'm gonna get back before my bed gets taken. I'll take these diamonds and I'm out. I could go get the other diamonds, but I do not trust anybody right now. That's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get It's a Trap, like, right now. Just to be aware. Let me cop these. 5 diamonds. Oh, I actually have enough to buy the Protection 2 and the It's a Trap. This. Protection 2 over here. Like, when you guys watch my videos, you won't see me a lot, you won't see a lot of me, like, going and getting obsidian that much, because I feel like I put a good bed defense. And I don't need it. Like, wait, was somebody really trying to get my... Nah, I probably just didn't place blocks there. Okay, that red dude is spicy still in the game. Let's go see what's up with him. I'm gonna buy some TNT. I'm gonna buy like one of them, 2 of them, and then a gapple. That. I just gotta check. Never know. Okay. I want to get sharpened swords just to... Ooh. Come back here, Cyan. Wow. That is a hack. What? What? That is some bull. That is what? Come on, Protection 2 diamond armor and he wins. Nah, come here. Come on. Crash the books. Come on. Come on. You know you wanna come. You know you wanna come. Are you gonna? Don't be scared. Yeah, red. Get him, red. Wow. What? They're teaming. What? Wow. I've never seen that. Come on. Wow. Teaming. Yo, this is why I hate this game, man. Oh, actually, I don't even care at this point. At this point, I don't care. Wow, they just blatantly teamed in front of my face. I'm reporting them. That's a dub. Nope, I'm reporting them. Let me jump off. I'm reporting them. Nah. What? I have that on camera. They literally teamed up. Wow. Oops. Before, what's his name? Come on, where's my shift key? I underscore MOUHA underscore DNZ. Wow. Teaming. I'm reporting that other dude too. Where is he? Yeah. IAMNOOB. Oh, that's a DOB. Oh, I can't report. Wow. Wow. That is upsetting. That is upsetting. I was gonna win, and then that happened. Wow. But okay, guys, I'm gonna have to leave the video here. If you guys enjoyed that chaotic, insane Minecraft Bed Wars video, be sure to comment down below why. Like, comment down below if you feel what I'm feeling right now for them teaming right on camera. But if you guys enjoyed, you guys know what to do. Slap that like button, subscribe if you're new, post notifications so you never miss one of my lovely videos. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.